All right, so we're gonna do some backtesting today. It's Sunday, December 22nd, so obviously no trading going on. I'm done trading for the year. Finished the year out on 2 wins, so I can't complain. It has been an interesting year. Um, Not the best, but such is life, and it's a growth towards next year, and the years to come. I do feel very confident about next year. I think I have a lot of groundwork done. Before we actually start, let's go through where we're at or where I'm at. So let's go to the analytics. Is that for this? I think it is. Yeah. So we're back up to 80%. You can see a pretty steady curve. This was December to January. I don't trade December to January normally. From the second week in December, I actually went into the third week this time around, but I'm not going to trade until the second week in January. Right. So, yeah, pretty great. You know, constantly moving up. On a very good equity curve. You can see 226 trades. So I definitely have the hang of it. There's really no more excuses, if anything. Up 250%, trading this one model on NQ, trading 1% per trade. Largest win is still 3.94%. Average win is 1%. Average duration 23 minutes. Max consecutive wins 17. Average consecutive wins 6. That's pretty damn good. 6, to be honest. Losers. Max consecutive losses 3. Average consecutive losses 2.1. So pretty much 2. Um, Total losers 35. Worst loss 0.89%. Average loss 0.47. Not quite sure what that is, but worst loss being that is pretty damn good. So yeah, 47 break evens in there as well. So that means 144 wins, 35 losses. Pretty solid. So yeah, we're in August right now. I'm gonna finish it up in September. So actually, where are we at? I might just try and power through these next 7 weeks one time and finish it off as a complete year, um, and see what price does. Right, see where we end up at the end of the year. Um, Judging by this, if we're looking at averages, I average around 20% a month. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm averaging around 20 to 25% a month. Pretty damn solid. And that's just risking 1%. So imagine if, I start risking 2, 3, um, maybe even 5%, which is risky. But if there's a solid trade in there, maybe that's something I would do. And obviously start compounding over time. All right, so let's actually go to the session. Let's start it off. My whole portfolio is looking at 67%. Not too shabby. So yeah, let's see if we can finish this off tonight. As I said, I don't really look at the daily anymore. I can kind of notice it's bias not necessary, in my opinion. If I'm only trading for the hour and a half a day, that's not the most necessary thing. So I only trade from, as you all may know, 9:45 through to 11 o'clock. That's my trading time. I do have a job. Um, well, I have a business that I own. So I try to dedicate that time towards just the trading, and everything else is business oriented. So yeah, let's look into it. All right, let's get started. So today, no news. Great. We have relative equals here, kind of in a wedge position. We need to take some form of liquidity before we go higher. Looks like the lows on the 5 minute were taken. But I personally think we do go higher. We go lower, then we go higher. But yeah, so let's fast forward to 9:45, which is our trading time. So lower, then go higher. Okay, there we go. Okay, so nothing as of yet. What have we done? We've taken all this liquidity in here since 6 p.m. last night. Okay, okay, okay. So as of right now, I'd say, okay, we're probably going to go lower again. So here, I would slap this bad boy on, cover that high, target. Where's left to target? The only thing, place to target right now that's reasonable is this low, which doesn't make any, wait, hold on. There we go. To me, this is not a trade I would take. Too small. Way too small. And this is clear the manipulation range. High to low. Let's change that to extension range. Yeah, we already hit that extension range. So not something I think that I should trade, even though it may hit. Um, but I'm just not gonna trade it. That would have been break even, and we would have been out break even right there. So yeah, not the best trade. All right, cool. So now I'm looking long. Liquidity taken. Break even at this point. Target. Oh, whoops. Probably the highs, if I'm being honest. These highs here. Some massive trade. Probably not the best trade to take, but we'll see. Okay, so break even. Great. Um, when we get here, I'm going to take 50% off. Get here. So 50% off. Okay, let's break even 50%. What more is there to do, right? I'll take I'll take another 25 here because this. There you go. So I'll take another 25. Well, this is just kind of how I go through price, pretty much every time, just like this. And there we go. That's a great trade, actually. Fantastic trade. I'm not even gonna lie. Wow. So yeah, why did I take that trade? Clearly, we pushed down to take liquidity. Price is clearly very bullish. We have buy side liquidity that needed to be tapped, which is up here. So it's very clearly buy side. We came down. We slapped liquidity. If it is that we wanted to continue lower, this inversion should hold. This inversion should hold. The moment we break out that inversion, boom, that's my entry. Stop. Um, stop. I tend to put below the. If it is that it's like this and you have a candle here, I put it below that candle. The open of that candle, price tends not to go below there. First break even point was here, right? Why is that the first break even point? Well, this is the point that pushed us lower. If it is that price wants to go lower, still from here, and go up into the super premium, this point should not break. And once that point does break, we should be bullish, and there's no reason for us to come back. There's no FVG in here. We've already been mitigated, so we should be bullish from there. First break even point was here, all right, which is this is a breaker. I could expect some form of turbulence here, come back lower. Second 25% was here. This is a type 1, which essentially means this is a swing point. Why is it a swing point? Sweeps liquidity, pushes us lower. So if I understand this is a liquidity point and liquidity is above here and it's a zero sum market, once price comes above here, take stops, there should be some form of reaction. Excuse me, which is what we get. We do get a reaction here. And then ultimately, equal highs is where I was looking to target. But I think price is just going to continue on up. And that's kind of the breakdown. And I've gotten a lot better being able to see those types of things. See, the thing about price is being you have to be reactionary, but you have to be calculated as well. So yeah, that's the trade. I don't know if we'll get another trade today. Probably not, but we'll see. I do think we still go higher. What time is it? 10:40. Yeah, probably not. Uh, Now we're building sell side 65. Yeah, I'm not taking it. All right, I just want to see what happens. I think we take the sell side and go higher, but we'll see. So, we didn't take it, but we did go higher. And boom, whoa, Jesus. Yeah, crazy push down. Yeah, all right, cool. Let's go the next day. Let's start back over again on the hour chart. So yeah, clearly very bullish. We had news here. We have news. What news is this? Oh, it was the next day. All right, cool. So we had news already. Okay, so clearly bullish. Clearly bullish. Clearly bullish. There's a little bit of liquidity down here, but this is because of the news. Oh no, news is what pushes hard. Okay, let's see. I think we're still bullish, obviously. Maybe a little pullback and then go higher, but we'll see. If not, it's about me being able to react. All right, cool. So 10:45. Sorry, 9:45. In order for me to take a trade, I need some form of liquidity to be swept, which clearly doesn't happen. All right, cool. I could take that, but that's I don't have targets. Actually, you know what? This is something that I do use sometimes, which is obviously that's the inverse. All right, so this should be the entry here, but break even is going to be this high, which is very quick, which may just come and tap me right back out, which is fine. What I'm going to use is that extension range that I showed earlier, and I'm going to take it to the 2 standard deviations, which is here. That's going to be my trade. I could very easily get smoked here, which, in my opinion, because we're so kind of overextended, there's no liquidity that was taken. I do think that is pretty much very much an option. My gut is telling me not to take this trade, but I'm still going to do it anyways. And technically, I should be break even right now. Should be break even already. Yeah, see, right, took that high, so I should be break even. Fortunately, I can't go break even, but if we go higher, okay. Again, whoops, break even. There we go. So I'm gonna get swept to break even here again, and then we'll kind of see what happens. I'm just gonna put a line here so you know that this is where my stop is. Whoops, not there. You know that my stop is here at this red line, and boom. So yeah, we would actually gone stopped out there if I just held it and not gone break even. So yeah, good save, good save, good save. Now this is what I meant where I said like we're overextended. There was no liquidity that was taken. Going long doesn't make sense. I've actually learned to trust my gut quite a bit in these trading scenarios. I've learned that my gut now is rarely ever wrong, and that when I start doing stupidity, like thinking I know more than what my brain's telling me, when you start thinking, that's where the issues come in. All right, great. So it looks like we set these. Looks like we set these, which is fine. I'd say we close above here. We're going bullish. There it goes. So I'll put my stop here. Break even at this point. Again, very quick break even, but same kind of deal in terms of targets, 2 standard deviations, place order. Oh, whoops. Place order. We'll see what happens here. Break even again this high. Oops. We're getting smoked. That looks like break even to me. Is it? Yeah, break even. So yeah, that's probably gonna be another break even trade, as I said, and then we take off. But guess what? I'm okay with that because we just saw how the break even saved us from a loss. And now we have this trade and it pushes us much higher. Obviously, this is going to be a win. Um, let's see if it gives me something else. Or if it just runs to my target, which it looks like it might, which is fine with me too. But I'm not getting. Oh yeah, time's gone. So my time's gone. But let's just see if it runs to my target or not. We'd definitely be taking some form of partials at this point. And look at that, right? Buy is correct, everything correct, but that break even rule well, it stopped me from getting a win, but it saved me from taking a loss previously, and I have to be able to. I know the type of trader I am. Those losses, especially stupid losses, play pretty big on my head. Um, in my opinion, it's better for me to take those the ones that save me than not. All right, cool. So, okay, this game swept liquidity. We're pushing higher. Let's go to 945. Jesus. I know this is going to be the target here now, but I don't think I'll be able to get in. Uh, yeah, I'm not looking like any entries here. I'm bearish. It's not looking like any entries. No, that should be a long. That should be a long, but someone's telling me wait to take that short equals. There it is. So liquidity is not taken. Yeah, gut man. Just always trust it. Always trust your gut. Smiley, yeah, so it's now in 2 minutes. All right, cool. So now I actually think we might be ready to go bullish. I should be covering down here. Break evens this point. Target. Ooh, I don't think that. It's not about what I think though. But something about this doesn't look right. Yeah, kind of knew it. Again, trust your gut. Trust your gut. Trust your gut. My gut is telling me this is a trade that I want. So my gut's telling me. Or maybe I'm just doing stupidness. Who knows? Let's see. Ooh, look at that. Break even. I'll take I'll take a little bit off here. And that, my friends, is how you take a break even. How you take a loss into a win. Just like that. So yeah, trust your gut. It's the end of the story pretty much. It's the moral of the story. Yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for the day, I think. I don't think this is gonna give me anything else. Yeah, no. Well, actually, you see how I just kind of I literally did that to the T. That is crazy. I don't know how I did that, but I did it. Literally to the point I did that. That is insane. All right, well, whatever. On to the next. Let's go back to the hour here. Very, very bullish. 5 minute. Let's see what happens. I don't have a bias on this one just yet. Obviously, H1's very bullish, so that might be something, but this hasn't given me anything. Check it 2 minute. Is there anything clear? Nope. Nope, nothing clear. Nothing clear. There's nothing clear. Unfortunate, but nothing. And that's the day gone. No trades. It's fine. To the next day. Okay, looks like we pushed lower. Probably taking out some from liquidity. I would expect us to potentially go higher and take this out, but I think we come lower, take liquidity, and then take that out. But let us see here. This might. Oh wait, what news is this? What time is this at? 10 o'clock. All right, so I'll wait till 10 o'clock to trade. All right, cool. So 10:02. Let's see what we got. As hasn't given me anything. Hasn't given me a thing. Okay. What I would like to see is price come down, take out these equals, and then close above this. Well, my only issue with closing above this is my break even so close, as well as my risk to reward isn't going to be the best if I take this. And guess what? It may just keep running up until this equal highs, which is cool, but I prefer it when we take liquidity before I get in. Right? Nothing taken there. So yeah, and that's why you wait it out. All right, now believe it or not, I think it's still like to see this. I don't know. We got equals. It's guts telling me take this one. Break even is gonna be pretty quick. I'm taking it to these equal highs though. Here. What is that? I had 2.5. All right. Let's see. Break even's pretty quick with this high. Oh, we're out immediately. It's fine. Ooh, I was a little bit wrong there. Yeah, now we're probably going back up. Or not. Now a bit. Oh, 11 o'clock. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So loss on the day there. Cool. On to the next. Ooh, weird price action. Okay. Equals. Let's see here. Oh, here we go. Something about this is telling me we're going lower. I don't know. Sorry, we're going higher. Let's see. Break even this high, target. So tight. I really should be targeting the high, the overall high, but I'll go like that. Oh my God, two back to back where I've just gotten smoked. And now it's probably. Ah, I see my mistake. Yeah, I didn't wait for liquidity to get swept, which is yeah, break even, take profit, sort of. Oh, dude, I'm getting smoked bad today. Three losses in a row. Jesus Christ. The bias has been correct, though. It's just execution has been poor. Execution, execution has been horrendous. I'd say we go up based off how it's delivering, but I don't have anything to go up off of. Yeah, yeah, three losses back to back to back. It's rough, man. It's rough. Okay, I expect us to go lower. It's pretty obvious in my opinion. All right, but let's wait for our setup to show itself. No, so we're just going straight on up. Or not. Too much of a ugh. Bias correct, execution piss poor, man. Jesus. Oh, delivery piss poor, I should say. Oh, this one should be all right. Break even's pretty quick on this one. So we're like that. Um. Oh dang. Should be able to get down in there, I think. There's gonna be four losses in a row. Let's see. Nope. That's break even. Oh, but it had to be done. So yeah, we're out of the losses curse. It's fine. Oh wait, let me just keep that on just to see what happens. It's just one of them ones. Yeah, it's alright though. Couldn't afford another loss, you know? But yeah, let's see if we get another potential entry. Ooh, jeez. Alright, cool. Oh man, it's so close to thing o'clock. I actually do think we go potentially lower from here. Just indecisive price action. Okay, on to the next. Let's see here. I've been kind of reading it okay. Delivery's been a bit tricky, which I'm okay with. Where are we at? 41, 43, 45. Jesus. Swap the lows. Do have equal highs above. We have no fair value gap. No trade. Jesus. No. I think this should be short here, but it's tricky. I don't like tricky. I like kind of decisive. Oh my God. Yeah. Nothing you can do about that, obviously. I like decisive price action. Again, another one that's like clearly we're bearish, but where do I enter from? Right? That's what I gotta look at too. Do I enter here, cover this? My stop is so massive that it doesn't quite make sense. So those are the types of things I'm looking at. 11 o'clock. Okay, let's go to the hour. Clearly very bullish. 5 minute, 9:45. There we go, 9:45. Clearly taking some form of a high. This type of price action really just kills me. I'm not counting that. Cool. Not cool. Not cool at all. I think it's a good no trade. Great. Not great anymore. Stop. That's target isn't very far. This is not the best place to take a trade, but it's break even. Why did I not take profits? I don't know. Why did I not take profits? I don't know. Why did I not take profits? Yeah, so back to back. Back to back. That could have been a win. In all actuality, that's usually a win for me. That's probably going to be it for the day. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm getting tired, man. Oh, we got Fed talks. I typically don't trade until after Fed talks, so we'll see after 10 o'clock what the position is. There you go. I don't like trading Fed talks. Like, look at these candles, man. Jesus. They'd probably take this. It's just not the style of trade that I like. I need to take liquidity like that or not. Just keep it going. Jeez, look at that wick. If it's crazy. Yeah, that's 11 o'clock. It's the next day. So stop liquidity. We could be bullish here. Probably look to target this high. But okay, cool. Let's see what we got. Very erratic price action. Oh man, very erratic price action. Absolutely nothing yet. Nothing. Nothing based off the way how I'm testing. Put it that way. This is an entry. It's off a different entry model system. Very clear order block. You'd get in here and cover that high, but not trading those. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Are we gonna take another loss here? This is interesting. Break even. I'm going right there. There it is. Break even. Don't. All right, cool. Another win. Another win. Another win. Okay. Cool beans. Take the wins when I get them, bro. Go to next day. Mm. Swept the equal highs. Probably gonna go lower. Oh no. Yeah, probably gonna go. Aside on the 5 minute that we did that, but I have no way to get in otherwise. So I'm just another trade where I can't get in. Uh, and now liquidity's tapped. I mean, this is a short technically, but only to there. Yeah, it's about 11 o'clock. Damn, another day, no trade. But don't. All right, 1 hour. Yeah, we're going bullish, taking out these equal highs. Great. Do I get it? Whoa. Candle looks ridiculous. There we go. Or not. There we go. So as I say, I put my stop below here. Break even. This high. Target. It's going to be this high. Just place that order. Oh, I'm getting smoked. Break even. Yeah, I'm getting smoked. All right, break even. And then we keep on pushing. As of right now, it's 2 to 3. Sorry, it's 1 to 3. One saved, break even trade, and three that would have continued for profit. All right, cool. This one should be valid or not. Boom, 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 boom. I got my bias completely wrong there. This one got my bias. Oh shoot. Uh, should have hopped in there. Damn it. Oh well, whatever. Time's gone anyways. Let's see. Bullish had news. Oh, we got equals there too. Let's see. God damn. I have this. Dude, it's not giving me a chance to get in. It's just taking taking me out so quick. Not out, but there's no break even. All right, cool. Liquidity gone. We have a huge buildup of liquidity there. Buy side. That should be valid. Whoops. That's all I can do on the trade. All right. Break even. Woo. Bang. Smacked it. All right. That's pretty much it for the day at 10:50. Let's see. I honestly don't know. With this one, honestly don't know with this one. Don't. Oh my god. I'm inclined to look bullish after we sweep liquidity, preferably be down. Okay, jeez. All right. Oh my God, now we have so much down here. Woo. This is the type one that pushed us all the way up though. Now I'm gonna wait it out. It would have been break even. Uh yeah, that would have been a good trade. Yeah, it would have been a good trade. Let's see here. Yes. I think that's a good no trade actually, considering all this liquidity is down here. Let's see where we at. We're now in September. All right, so I'm gonna end out there. I'm gonna do the other one tomorrow. My eyes are burning a little bit. So let's look at our analytics. We are definitely back into the 70%. It's no longer 80%. Yeah. Um, yeah, it took a couple more break evens. Took a couple more losses. Mondays are a horrible day for me. I've 14 losses on Mondays, but I've also made quite a bit of money. But clearly Mondays, if I take out Mondays, it's completely different. So yeah, August, 17% on my lower months. Man, look at that, huh? Not the best looking. It's not the best looking chart there. Uh, took one, three losses there, two break even trades. So yeah, definitely not the best performance there. But hey, it is what it is, right? So looking at the year, ooh, look at that. Mondays, man, not looking the best at all. All right, cool. So one more month to go, and then I'll be able to just see what the position is really and truly. Maybe we're doing really well here. December, you can see where I stopped in December. Yeah. Alrighty.